Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create group chat in messages in any Samsung device. If you're using any Samsung device and now you want to create your own group chat in your messages apps, let's see how can you do that. First of all, you just have to open your messages app and here just tap on this message icon in the bottom right corner. Tap here and then select create group, and here you must have to add some numbers to your group. As I am going to add, let's say, this number, just add that, then tap on this next option, and here you must have to create a group name. As I'm going to enter this one, just tap it, then tap on run option, and here you must have to send the message just like that. So that's how you can easily create group chat in your messages in any Samsung device. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.